Hey there, we have checked in at our Old Key West room. We were supposed to have a 1-bedroom, but they gave us a 2-bedroom, so you are going to get a tour of the 2-bedroom at Old Key West. When you walk in, you immediately have a closet here that just has a vacuum. It's your normal cloak closet. That's your immediate walk-in. You're gonna have a little shelf right here and a mirror. We're going to go into the living room in a minute, but first we're gonna go into the bedroom that has the 2 queens. This room is awesome. It has a little table right here and chairs, 2 queen beds. You have a small TV, not huge. You're going to have another closet right here. The nice thing is though, is that you do have these 2 queen beds in here. And the other nice thing is that in the bathroom, you have a sink here. You also have another sink here, the toilet and the shower. So if someone needs to be brushing their teeth while the other person is showering or something like that, you can do that. That's awesome. You also have another closet right here. We're not gonna go into all of them. They're all pretty similar. Love the art on the walls. Think that looks great. Probably should have turned on that light. All right, we're gonna come into the kitchen area now. The kitchen and the living room. This blew us away when we walked in, just at how large it was. I'm going to zoom out the camera a little bit so you can see. So this room is just massive. This is a normal size living room. I think this is bigger than the living room in our house, just to hang out in. But when you come into the kitchen, you have your sink, you have all your cabinets, you have your dishwasher, stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, that type of thing. And that is awesome. You have a whole nother counter space here with shelves and stuff. That is incredible, especially if you want to serve people. You have a table and chairs right here where you can hang out. Then you get into the sitting area. You have a pull-out bed and that couch. You have a normal couch here. You have a pull-out chair there, and you have your TV right here, which is awesome. And I love the windows. I love how the windows do a great job at bringing in this natural light. It's really beautiful. We really like it, and it's great. Next up, we're gonna walk in this direction, take a stop. You have a full-fledged washer and dryer right here. That is insane. It's really neat. And then you get into the master. Now we're gonna come to the bathroom in a minute, but you have the chair in the master bedroom, the king bed, all of this. You have a little ottoman there, a mirror, hello, a TV, all that stuff. Here is what really shines to us, or one of the things is massive bathtub, sink here, full mirror. You have a large closet right here. You come into here and you have another sink, a shower, and a toilet. This bathroom is huge. It's so nice. We absolutely love it. Lastly, we're gonna come out on the balcony. This is accessible from the living room and from the master bedroom. And this is great because you have a full table, and our view is of the golf course and a pond. I'll come over here and let you see it, but a full, great view. You have a full table. So you could legitimately, if you have a big family, open these doors if you wanted to, have both as an option, multiple tables. It's beautiful. You even have a fan out here so you can get some breeze going while you're out on the porch. Thank you so much for watching our room tour of a 2-bedroom here at Old Key West Resort at Walt Disney World in Florida.